HVAC professionals and business owners need to know about our fixed and flexible technology. In almost all HVAC systems, there is a problem. According to ASHRAE, almost all HVAC systems lose up to 30% efficiency within the first 5 years of the unit's life as a direct result of oil migrating to the coil system. Oil migrating from the compressor into the heat exchangers is the main cause of the loss of efficiency. Oil that is lost into the heat exchanger coats the interior of the system, causing a thermoconductive barrier. This barrier reduces the efficiency of the HVAC systems. Excess oil on the refrigerant side of chillers is a problem. It is a costly contaminant. Studies conducted by ASHRAE indicate that not only does the oil entrained in a chiller's refrigerant significantly degrade performance, but these chillers also use significantly higher amounts of energy. This leads to higher utility bills. The Institute for Real Estate Management, IREM, records yearly statistics which prove that HVAC comprises between 60 to 75% of the total power bill for any building. HVAC consumes up to 75% of the power bill in buildings fewer than 2 stories and 60% of the power bill in buildings over 2 stories. The efficiency loss shows itself as an 18 to 22.5% increase in the total power bill. The efficiency loss physically shows itself as an extended runtime by the equipment to cool a designated area. The extended runtime also shortens the life of the equipment and parts up to 30%. Service contractors wait until oil buildup significantly decreases capacity. During routine maintenance, service contractors attempt to remove excess oil from the refrigerant by contaminating the refrigerant through a manual process or by emptying and recharging the chiller with a new refrigerant. Friction creates heat, drag, erosion, wear and tear, loss of energy, and fatigue. Any material or gas that runs inside a pipe is subject to friction. When fluid or gas runs through a pipe, the layer in contact with the metal surface creates a drag. The name laminar flow comes by the layered laminated effect caused by friction. This layer also creates a laminar friction by slowing down the layer above it, which then slows down the layer in contact with it, and so on. By introducing a turbulent flow to the system's refrigerant, the following effects take place: reduced laminar friction, increased heat dissipation, less energy needed to circulate the refrigerant, reduced oil left in the condenser, reduced amp draw, and overall better performance. The Articmaster is a variable condenser control. By increasing the capacity of the condenser, it allows the increase or decrease of refrigeration based on ambient outside temperatures. The Articmaster also creates a vortex which allows hot gas bubbles to escape, providing cooler refrigerant to the evaporator. The RMS-1 is a refrigerant control which increases the atomization and dissipation of heat of the refrigerant prior to the evaporator. The Smart Plug is a compressor controller which is microprocessor based and software driven, designed to reduce the energy consumption without reducing the performance of the compressor. The blue line at the top show the effects of the ambient temperature on power consumption without our systems installed. The red line shows the effects with the Articmaster and RMS-1, and the light blue line shows the effect with the addition of the Smart Plug. Oil migrating in the coil system is a well-known and documented fact among HVAC scientists and engineers. Oil in the coils accounts for up to 30% reduction in efficiency within the first 5 years of a HVAC unit's life. The Articmaster, RMS-1, and Smart Plug are proven technologies that solve the problem of oil migration in HVAC systems that use coils. Our system cleans your coils and streamlines the refrigerant so the HVAC system operates 16 to 20% more efficient than originally designed. To learn more, contact us and find out how you can dramatically increase the efficiency of your HVAC, heat pump, chiller, and refrigeration systems and decrease your utility costs. Contact us at 916-538-1726.